Hi guys, welcome to another video. And guys, today we will be discussing something about this is actually a Toyota Aqua. It's also known as a Prius C. And there's a problem with the AC. It's not actually a problem, but it becomes a problem for people. And that is that when you turn on the AC, you get a whistling sound from the engine bay area. The AC is off right now. Let me just show you the engine bay area, that no sound is coming from there. And then I'll turn on the AC and then you'll be hearing some kind of sound. I'll explain what that is. Okay guys, the car is on EV right now and there is no sound of any type. I'm going to turn on the AC. The AC in this car is an electrical compressor. It's not belt driven. So let's turn on the AC and see if the actually get some kind of whistling sound coming from here. Okay, let's turn on the air conditioner. Let's keep it on for a minute. Okay, that should do. Let's turn the AC off and let's turn the AC is off now. Let's actually go and inspect the engine bay area. Okay. Okay, there's a whistling sound coming from here now. Can you hear that? And that's not the engine. The engine's off right now. Okay, now let me explain what that is. That's actually the compressor of this car, and that's a normal thing. Don't be alarmed, that's quite a normal thing. It comes from the compressor, and in intense heat or very hot weather, that sound will multiply. You'll be able to hear it out of the engine area. Some people get worried about this sound, but you don't need to get worried about this sound because it's quite normal. Okay guys, that's it for today. Have a nice day and goodbye.